Nerdcore could rise up. It could get elevated.
Hello, and welcome to Cool Stuff Cast. First, we're going to go to the action figure corner. First off, in the action figure corner, new Obama action figures, seen here. Also, there's new Carlin action figures, seen here. Now to comic news. Dark Avengers #1 is having a second print. The first print sold out everywhere. Also, there's a big question going around of why Wolverine is on the cover of EGM. And about the Dark Avengers, go to marvel.com/news to find out more. Thanks for watching Cool Stuff Cast.